Hello children, how are you all? So children, today we are going to start a new lesson of science, that is lesson number 3, domestic animals, part 1. So all the second class student, take out your reader, term reader, that is for class 2, and lesson number 3, domestic animal, page number 100. Okay, before we start, let us recollect first and second lesson. First and second lesson we were totally learning about the plants, how we used to get food from plants, what do we eat from plants, like how the plants grow, different types of plants. So today we are going to learn about animals, that too domestic animals. hmm? The animals are of two types, wild animal and domestic animal. Today we are going to deal with domestic animals. Take out your reader, page number 100. Let us start with the pre-reading activity. We keep some animals at our homes or farms. These are called domestic animals. We take special care of these animals. They are useful in many ways. So we human beings, we have a habit to keep few animals in our houses. And the animals, जो animals को हम हमारे घर में रखते हैं, वो animals को domestic animals बोला जाता है. Okay, why do we keep animals? Because few people they love to keep, and few people they have a farm. So for that farm, that is a business, or you can say that is a type of income earning activity for the people. So that's why they keep these animals at their farm. Like and that animals are called as what, domestic animals, and we will take care of those animals, as well as after taking care we even get many things from those animals. Let us see what do we get from animals. First is what? Milk. Animals like cow, goat and buffalo give us milk to drink. We have people, we human beings, we keep cow, goat as well as buffalo. तो ये जो 3 एनिमल्स को जब हम पालते हैं तो ये इनसे हमें क्या मिलता है? They give us milk. Okay, so few farmers they keep these animals at their farm yards, and afterwards we will go to that farmers and they will give us, if you want to purchase milk we can purchase from them. Milk is good for health. We use milk in many ways. So as from animal we are getting milk, but that milk can be used in many ways. It's just a liquid, we are getting a liquid, but वो मिल्क के और बहुत सारे यूजफुल फायदे हैं. जैसे कि क्या? फ्रॉम मिल्क वी कैन गेट बटर, दही, कर्ड, चीज, आइसक्रीम्स एंड मेनी मोर. So this is how the milk is useful to us. And from where we are getting this milk? From animals like cow, goat and buffalo. Some animals like the hen and the duck give us egg. Some of us eat eggs. Yes. Few animals we have like hen and duck. We will give these animals. So these animals they give us egg. And few people, we eat egg also. Not all the people will eat, but few people like non-veg people they eat this non-veg. Okay, so like what do we eat? We eat egg, but few people they won't eat egg, not even anything. So few people they eat egg. That's why we are getting this thing from where? We are getting this thing from animal. Some animals like the hen, goat, crab, prawns and fish give us flesh or meat. We cook their flesh to eat. Yeah, and afterwards talking about egg, living egg, flesh. Few animals they eat flesh of the few people they eat flesh of the animals also. Okay, like chicken, mutton, prawns, crabs, fish. So what do? They take these animals and afterwards they take out the flesh, remove the flesh from those animals, and they cook it, and afterwards they will eat. Next, according to the current scientific research, flesh and eggs are harmful to eat. They cause severe disease and pollute air. So now, according to now this situation, the scientific research, they said that flesh and eggs we should not eat, because if we eat flesh and eggs it is harmful to us. Why? Because they can cause diseases as well as it can pollute air. So that's why the current scientific research they told us to not to eat flesh. Silk, wool, honey and wax. Next is this silk. Have you ever heard? Silky sari, woolen, honey, wax. Okay, these are the things which we are getting not from the plants but we are getting from animals. How silken clothes are used in summer. During summer season we wear which clothes? Silk. We get silk from silkworm. Woolen clothes are used in winter. So silk के जो कपड़े हम पहनते हैं, that silk we get from where? We get from silkworm. And woolen के during winter season we wear coats, we wear jackets, we wear woolen clothes. That woolen clothes we get from where? We get wool from sheep's hair. We get honey and wax from honeybee hive. So woolen के जो हमारे कपड़े होते हैं वो कपड़े हमें वूल से मिलते हैं. एंड सिल्क के कपड़े हमें सिल्क वॉर्म से मिलते हैं. लाइक इट इज अ टाइप ऑफ थ्रेड विच वी विल गेट फ्रॉम सिल्क वॉर्म एंड दैट थ्रेड वी विल कन्वर्ट इट इनटू द क्लोथ्स. इट इज नॉट दैट कि सिल्क वॉर्म हमें डायरेक्टली कपड़े बना के देता है. नो, दैट्स अ थिन लेयर थ्रेड विच वी गेट फ्रॉम सिल्क वॉर्म. एंड वुलन वी गेट फ्रॉम sheep's hair. Okay, sheep is there, so with the help of sheep hair we remove the hair from the sheep and that hair we use for making what? Woolen clothes. And next is what? Honey and wax. This honey and wax we are getting from honeybee hive. Okay, you can see over here, this is the silkworm. From this silkworm we get what? We get silk. We can make sari. And again wool, woolen we get from sheep, with the hair of sheep. And yes, from the honeybee hive, from there we get what? Honey. Okay, we from which we will make what? We make wax. So for today this much is enough, children. Like now we have learned two things which we get from domestic animals, that is milk and silk, wool, honey and wax. Tomorrow we'll see what type of pets people keep at their houses, and then leather and manure and fuel. We get different types of things also from animals that we will learn in our next session. Till then, you watch the video, read the lesson, try to read it because reading is also important. Watch the video and we'll meet soon with our next video. Okay children, thank you.